look at it. All right, guys. So we just picked the car up. Got Destiney's new Ats-V. She rips. We're in Dallas. We're about 45 minutes from getting the parts for this bad girl, and then we're gonna cruise on home, stop for lunch. Bucky's trip, of course, but I'll flip you guys around, show you guys the car, and yeah, let's get home and get Destiney's reaction. So right here we got 2018 Ats-V. My bad. She's got a bit of work to do to her, but she's got the Recaros in it, all nice and purty. And yeah, we're gonna do a whole build series on this car. Gonna have to get some new wheels because those are trash, but this thing is an absolute ripper. Scott is a trooper for bringing us down here, being able to pick this bad girl up. So let's hop in the truck and we'll get home. We'll go grab these parts and then we'll head straight home, and yeah, we'll catch you guys at home, and it should be a pretty cool build. All right, guys, about 15 minutes, 20 minutes from the house, and then we'll probably get Destiney's reaction of her new car. She has yet to see it in person, and then probably put her up for the night and the weekend, and then filming another video for you guys tomorrow and Saturday. And we'll be leaving Oklahoma Saturday, so Texas today, Oklahoma tomorrow, and the rest of the weekend, and then we'll get working on this. Yeah! So we'll catch you guys at the house when we show it. Alright, guys. This is where we're ending off the vlog for tonight. It's in the shop. We'll get Destiney's reaction in the morning before she goes to work and before we head out of town to film another video for you guys. So this is how she looks, and I don't know what we'll be doing next, but that's how she looks for now, and we'll get Destiney's reaction and go from there. Yeah. Are you ready to see your car? Alright, guys, it's the morning. You're gonna love it. And we're gonna show Destiney her car.
It's small. Why did my dad say it's big? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Is that gonna fix?
So.
You can't take that.
Yeah, we can.
Not just ATS. I like the seats. They're like your car.
Yeah.
Like,
And then right here, we're gonna put CTS-V.
No.
Listen.
Your truck.
No, we're gonna put CTS-V door handles on it, and they have all this lit up. So anytime you will unlock it, it goes white. Yeah. You can start it.
The key is cute.
Yeah, start it.
Back.
Just parts and stuff. Start it.
Okay, but mother.
I know.
It's not starting.
Try it.
Do I hold it?
You might have to shut the door. Or the hood. Nothing?
It's not.
Oh, hang on. Hang on. You'll have power here in a second.
I like it here. It's like cozy.
There you go. Start it. Push the button.
I like this. It's good fancy. Oh my gosh, that's real bad.
Yeah.
Holy fucking shit, I've never seen that many lights on a dash in my life. Oh my gosh, it says the miles per hour.
Yeah.
Where's the gas at? Oh, right there. What's it take?
We'll put 91 or 93. Yeah.
It's brand new. Nobody's even used it. About to put my pink Glock in there. Where are we?
We just rolled into Jones. We're 2 minutes away. And we're about to pick up our new rig.
Oh my gosh,
It's gonna be so cool.
I'm nervous.